So this is the Regal 380 XO. Boat show price is $834,231 grand off. This has the triple 300s. Nice shore power and storage in the aft. Nice outside summer kitchen here. Electric grill, sink. Actually, sorry, that's refuse there. Cold storage, sliding glass door. And coming in, you're gonna pan across. Okay, so why they don't have a sink outside is that's your primarily grill area. This window here will actually slide down, and then you have access here to the electric cooktop, 2-burner cooktop inside. And then this is a nice sink area here. Top loading cold storage there. And you've got a nice seating area, L-shaped settee on the port side. Plenty of storage overhead and in this counter. And then if you want, there's a fixture there so you can have a table set up. Panning across, you do have opposing seating, fold down TV. Very nice. And then this one, you have helm starboard. You got a nice sliding window here on the 38 XO. Beautiful convertible. And they've got a nice big window there on the starboard side, on the port side as well. Beautiful single piece windshield. Now this one, it's not a walk-through, it's a walk around. So here, you've got just a beautiful area. I like this. This is kind of like an atrium setup. And then walking down to the master here, well, VIP forward. We'll call it the VIP. So you've got pocket doors that slide out. So these doors will slide here to shut this off. Nice storage underneath. And then this has a split shower enclosure to the port side. Go ahead in here and take a quick look. So we've got a nice hardware here, magnetic hold for the door so it's not bouncing around. And then opposite that, on the starboard side, this is where the toilet is, electric flush toilet there. This looks to be the electrical panels there for AC and DC. And then to the aft, you've got a folding door here, and then this comes down to what you'd likely use as the master. So full beam master across. Got a Samsung TV, hall side windows there, and storage over on the port side. So very nice. Let's go up 3 steps, and now we're going to take a look to the aft, which is great. So here's that sunroof, and I do want to point out this kind of atrium effect from down here. So even if you're in the bed, you're going to get the sunlight from the windshield, and then if you have the hardtop open, you'll also get that sunlight. Very livable boat. In the cockpit here, you'll see the L-shaped seating. This does open up here so you can walk around to the starboard side. And it looks like they don't want to have us bow access right now, but that is the walkthrough to the bow. .38 XO.